Hello, this is our presentation, Night Code, Decoding Nighttime Health Through Data. So let's get started.
Sleep is essential for maintaining overall health, cognitive function, and daily performance. Yet many college students struggle to get enough rest. Balancing academics, work, and social obligations often leads to irregular sleep schedules, which can negatively impact concentration, mood, and long-term health. According to the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute, adults should get between 7 and 9 hours of sleep per night. However, the CDC shows that 36% of females and 37.5% of males fail to meet this recommendation. Our project examines how factors such as stress levels, BMI, physical activity, and blood pressure influence sleep patterns among adults, with the focus on college students. Understanding these relationships is particularly relevant for students preparing to enter the workforce, where poor sleep habits can affect productivity, job performance, and overall well being. By analyzing these connections, our project aims to explore potential risk factors for inadequate sleep and encourage healthier sleep habits among young adults transitioning into their careers.
This project applies concepts from our Statistical Methods 3 class to a real-world dataset, the Sleep, Health, and Lifestyle dataset from Kaggle. We use statistical techniques to analyze how various factors such as age, stress levels, BMI, physical activity, and blood pressure influence sleep patterns. In our regression analysis, we identified which variables have the most significant impact on sleep patterns. Through our project, we gain various skills and hands-on experience. For example, statistical skills like data cleaning and exploratory data analysis, multiple regression modeling, and model building and model selection. Additionally, we develop skills in using R for statistical analysis and for interpreting and communicating results. And of course, collaborating with peers on data-driven research. This experience not only reinforced classroom learning, but also provided valuable insights into analyzing real-world data, which will be beneficial in our future careers.
Doing this project really helped us see how what we learned in class applies outside of just assignments. We used regression techniques like multiple linear regression from class to explore real patterns in the data, worked with R to clean and analyze the data, and saw how the methods we practice can actually answer real questions. For us, it was the first time we really saw how the tools and methods learned in class could be applied to real-world questions.
The biggest change for our team was in awareness. As we worked on our project, we realized that many of our own habits were negatively affecting our sleep without us even noticing. For example, some of us assumed that simply getting enough hours of sleep was sufficient, but we found that irregular sleep schedules, high blood pressure, and low physical activity contributed to lower sleep quality, even with sufficient amounts. It wasn't about making drastic changes, but rather understanding what affects sleep and being more mindful of our routines. By identifying key factors influencing sleep patterns, we became more conscious of our own habits and started making small adjustments, like maintaining a more consistent sleep schedule or maintaining and managing stress better. This project not only strengthened our statistical skills, but also gave us valuable personal insights into improving our own sleep health.
Our project showed us how much small lifestyle factors like stress and physical activity can significantly impact sleep quality. We also gained more confidence using data tools like R and came to appreciate how powerful they are in helping us analyze and understand real life issues. One of the most valuable lessons was realizing how data can bridge the gap between abstract numbers and real world problems. We often think of data as just a bunch of numbers, but this project showed us that behind every data point is a person with unique habits and experiences. These numbers help us understand human behavior, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. Our project also helped us become more mindful of our own daily habits and how even small changes can have a big impact. It showed us how data can drive positive change by focusing on the things that really matter.
Lastly, these are our references. Thank you for watching our presentation.